In this topic, we discuss the deflection of electron by electric field. When the beam of electron is passes through the electric field that is start from the positive charge and end on the negative charge. Here we take the beam of electrons that enter into the electric field at 90 degree. When they enter into the electric field, they 90 degree, they bend toward the positive plate and make a parabolic path. When the beam of electron enter into the electric field, the beam of electrons deflected by electric field, the beam of electrons enter into the uniform electric field at 90 degree. The electric force acting on the beam of electrons continuously and bend toward the positive plate. This beam of electrons follow parabolic curve path. In this topic, we discuss what happens when the beam of electron enter into the magnetic field. Here we take the magnetic field that is into the page. When the beam of electron enter into this magnetic field that is into the page, the path of the beam of the electron become circular when they enter into the magnetic field. The magnetic force that is act on this beam of electron that make the circular path of this beam of electron. So we say that when the beam of electron enter into this magnetic field, they make a circular path. So here we write when the beam of electrons enter into the magnetic field at angle of 90 degree, it deflect due to the magnetic force. Here the magnetic field is denoted by cross sign, which shows direction of magnetic field is into the page. This is the magnetic field. The electrons beam bend in magnetic field and make a circular path.